So I had a call out today. The description said, big ass hole in the yard, couldn't fix it himself. And this is a homeowner that likes to do things himself. So when I turned up, yes, there was a big ass hole, and the stuff that's on the sidewalk, this was what was actually inside the ground. I'm just gonna walk you through this real quick and just show you what the homeowner did. You've probably seen it on Facebook, where people have got a drill bit and then tried to drill the inside of the fitting to get the pipe away, and then he tried to glue it back on. The same over here, and surprise, surprise, it didn't work. So if you ever see that video and you think, man, I'm gonna give that a go, don't bother. Save yourself the time, bit of common sense, just cut it out and just do it properly, because it's only gonna leak. And then over here, I mean, it's a service call, so it doesn't look pretty. I get it. I'm sure you guys are going to comment on how crap it looks. It's absolutely fine. I don't care, because it works. The fitting was all the way back here under the sidewalk, so I had to dig back there, put a coupling on, put in a new valve. I don't particularly like those Irrigation valves. I'm not sure I even really like these better. The ones I actually prefer the most are the Rainbird valves, because the screw stays inside the bonnet, and the only thing that you're loosening is actually the nut on top. So it means that these are never gonna cross-thread or wear out. But this was all I had on my truck. I had the choice, either another Irrigation or a Hunter, so I thought I'd give the Hunter a go. And then plumbed all this back together. Yes, I know this pipe's a little bit high, but it had to connect to that one. And this pipe here is actually schedule 40, so I'm not too worried about it. But that's the repair. This video is basically just to say, if you have the idea of trying to use a drill bit to get a pipe out of a fitting, I highly advise you not to.